Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best easel stand is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any artist, presenter, or educator, offering a stable and adjustable platform for displaying artwork, charts, or even digital screens. And while many options exist, finding the one that perfectly balances durability, portability, and functionality is key to elevating your creative or professional endeavors. Number 5. U.S. Art Supply 63 Heavy-Duty Steel Display Easel, 6-pack. Introducing a set of 6 heavy-duty steel easels, designed for durability and stability. They provide a reliable display solution for various needs. These easels are incredibly portable, standing at 63 inches tall when set up but collapsing to a compact 23 inches. Weighing only 4 pounds each, they are easy to transport wherever you need them. Crafted from reinforced tubular steel with a gloss black powder-coated finish, these stands are built to last. The legs lock securely when fully expanded for added stability. Easily position the display arms anywhere along the easel's height to perfectly showcase your items. Each arm can support up to 10 pounds. Perfect for trade shows, office presentations, event signs, posters, weddings, and exhibitions. They are ideal for displaying artwork, signs, and more. When fully set up, these easels offer a maximum leg width of 34 inches and a depth of 26 inches, with an impressive overall height of 63 inches. What we like? This pack of 6 offers incredible value for bulk needs. The generous 63-inch height makes a statement, and it supports up to 10 pounds. If you need to set up multiple displays for an event or a large exhibition, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It may be a bit flimsy, won't stand up to much abuse, won't carry a heavy canvas, and it doesn't look impressive. But it is perfect for what I need it for. I don't think that it would be possible to have a quicker setup. Simply hold the top hinge in 2 fingers and let go. It magically assembles itself because of the elastic cord running down the center of the hollow legs. The stand is extremely easy to set up. It basically unfolds itself. And it's not difficult to break down and fold, start from the bottom and work upwards. The stand works perfectly. I used 24x36 posters. The stand was stable. No issues at all. This was perfect for what I needed it for, a lightweight easel to display foam core signage at an event. It packs up small, setup takes about 3 seconds, and you can adjust the height of the display. Number 4. U.S. Art Supply 13.5 Black Metal Tabletop Easel. This easel is designed for ultimate portability. Its lightweight steel construction makes it easy to carry anywhere, perfect for on-the-go displays. Customize the display height with its adjustable arms. It securely holds items up to 14 inches high and 11 inches wide, adapting to various sizes. The tripod design ensures maximum stability for your artwork or signs. You can trust it to stand firm on any tabletop. It's perfect for showcasing artwork, photos, signs, and posters. Use it for art, trade shows, retail, or office presentations. Non-skid rubber feet protect surfaces and prevent slipping. Plus, its foldable design allows for compact and convenient storage when not in use. Setting up is a breeze, taking just moments. This portable stand is ready for immediate display needs on any table surface. What we like? This compact easel is designed for smaller displays and portability. Its lightweight build and tabletop size make it ideal for artists or businesses needing a quick setup on a desk or counter. If you are looking for a convenient solution for small art pieces or product showcases, this is a great option. What people say. The easel held it steady for the entire event from setup to cleanup. This particular stand is the absolute best I've found due to its small size, low weight, and movable arms. These little easels are perfect for displaying my framed originals on the tabletop. Super easy setup and they support the paintings well. Number 3. U.S. Art Supply 15-inch Aluminum Tabletop Easel. Introducing our premium 15-inch tabletop easel. It's incredibly lightweight and features a folding frame for instant setup, making it perfect for artists on the go. This versatile stand is ideal for displaying paintings, framed photos, books, and even whiteboards. Use it anywhere from stores to your home for a variety of display needs. Perfect for retail displays, trade shows, office presentations, or home decor. It securely holds items weighing up to 5 pounds, offering great stability. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight aluminum, this easel provides enhanced stability. The non-skid rubber feet ensure it stays put and protects your surfaces. When collapsed, it measures just 3.5 by 2.5 by 16 inches, making it easy to store and transport. Its lightweight design at only 0.5 pounds adds to its portability. What we like. Crafted from premium aluminum, this easel is exceptionally lightweight and easy to carry. It offers a sturdy display for items up to 5 pounds. If you prioritize portability and a sleek, modern look for your presentations or art display, this is the easel for you. What people say. The U.S. Art Supply 15 high aluminum tabletop display easel has been a convenient tool for my school science project. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport and set up, which is particularly beneficial for students or individuals on the go. I found the easel to be sturdy enough to securely hold foam board panels, providing a stable and reliable display for my project. The adjustable height feature allowed me to customize the viewing angle to suit different audiences and presentations. Super lightweight and sturdy. They're also incredibly easy to set up and take down, like it takes 2 seconds. Paint wipes off with a little scrubbing with a damp cloth. Nice lightweight and sturdy tripod, great for vendor display at a busy trade show. We do a lot of shows and recommend this item. Number 2. U.S. Art Supply 64 Wooden Easel Stand. Introducing a versatile easel stand, perfect for displaying signs, artwork, photos, and more. Its A-frame design offers flexibility for various uses, from art to event decorations. This easel accommodates canvases up to 40 inches high with an adjustable tray for your convenience. It can even convert to a tabletop easel by removing the leg extensions. Crafted from durable pine wood with a natural finish, this professional easel is surprisingly lightweight. It's easy to transport, set up, and store, though some assembly is required. Featuring a stable tripod design secured with a chain strap, it also includes non-slip rubber feet. This ensures your artwork stays secure on any surface. Ideal for artists and displays, it offers ample support for your projects or showcase pieces. Use it in studios, at trade shows, weddings, or in your office. What we like. This wooden easel offers a classic aesthetic and remarkable versatility. It can accommodate large canvases up to 40 inches and even converts to a tabletop version. If you appreciate the natural look of wood and need an easel that can adapt to different project sizes and settings, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The easel is very sturdy and can hold large canvases. It's easy to assemble and adjust the height. The built-in storage tray is convenient for holding art supplies. Number 1. U.S. Art Supply 66 High Black Metal Display Easel, 4-pack. Introducing a professional set of 4 heavy-duty display easels. These are designed with a telescoping tripod frame, offering robust support for your displays. These easels are incredibly versatile, adjusting from 36 to 66 inches high. They are perfect for art exhibitions, trade shows, or simply displaying artwork and posters. Crafted from reinforced tubular aluminum, these easels are built to last. They feature interior separators for stability and non-skid rubber feet to protect your surfaces. They are perfect for displaying a variety of items, including signs, artwork, canvases, and picture frames. You'll find them useful for weddings, retail displays, and corporate events. Easily customize the height and angle with simple locking knobs. The display arms can accommodate panels up to 2.2 inches deep, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. When not in use, they collapse from 66 inches down to 36 inches. This makes them easy to store and transport wherever you need them. What we like. Built for demanding use, this heavy-duty easel boasts a high weight capacity of 25 pounds and extensive height adjustability. Its robust construction ensures stability for larger displays. If you are showcasing significant artwork, large signs, or need a reliable stand for frequent, heavy-duty use, this easel is the top contender. What people say. The easel is very sturdy and stable, even when holding large canvases. It's adjustable and can be tilted to different angles, which is great for different types of artwork. The built-in tray is a nice feature for holding brushes and paints. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.